you, pal. Morning.
Have you been before?
I went yesterday to the other hide.
Okay. So, the Osprey nest is straight in front of us.
Yes.
One of the birds should be in the telescope over there if it hasn't moved. The female is on the post beside the nest, and the chick is in the tree. You can probably see a white speck in the poplar.
Yes.
The tree in front. So, for photography, the other hide is better because the other hide is a little bit closer.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, the only concern with the other hide I had this morning is the sun position. You keep it out.
Yeah.
Actually, it might be alright, it's not quite. Don't think it's quite direct enough onto the sun, onto the hide, is it?
No, not quite.
Not quite.
I mean, you're welcome also to try to photograph from here.
Yeah.
Just the other hide is a little bit nearer.
Yes, and every meter counts.
And who is this?
That's Dora. Dora. Yeah.
Could I say hello to me, gorgeous?
Yeah.
Hello.
I've never seen so many cormorants in my life.
Oh, that's not many. Usually it can be fuller than that. There's 2 dead trees with cormorants on.
Yeah.
On the mid-50s when this place was flooded.
Do you know, is this man-made? Is this old quarries?
There's 2 villages that were flooded, and so you can still Mountain Church. Mountain Church is kind of sticks out about 3/4, so the bottom bit has been filled in, and it's still used for weddings and things like that. But
okay.
yeah, there's 2 villages that were flooded.
Okay. Any particular reason? Just didn't like them, or? Harry.
Do you attach a camera to her too?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, there's a heron. Like a well-trained bird-watching dog.
She is. She's an assistant dog, so she's been trained to sort of sit and stay and do her thing.
There comes a time in every life we don't have the strength to move.
Yeah. I got the 2 up in the fridge.
In
The other
the
one.
night, I see the light and know that I could never do this alone. Ooh, I'm holding on to you, holding on to you now, 'cause everything I know tells me this is true.
Just trying to get
I
closer.
can't do this alone. There comes a fight in every life that we don't have the strength to lose. So lay down my pride. I find that I could never own the truth alone. Ooh.
No wings, the wings are going to take off.
I am giving up.
I was going to wear a coat, but I forgot. It's not too bad.
Quite a little fishing hopper.
Yeah.
The chick's
Right
just
there.
flown into the nest. Oh, there's a bit of a delay.
20 seconds.
Yeah, I was going.
I've
I
been
swear it's in there.
I've been sat on the webcam before,
Yeah.
watching 3 of them nest, transfixed.
Hey.
They're in the air.
Okay.
You're just not used to the delay.
Yeah. Mind you, if I knew that, I would have got the GoPro on there and got it coming in.
Yeah.
Oh well.
So at the moment with the ospreys, one is on the nest, one is in the poplar, and one is on the hollow beside it.
Hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So to say that.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're
'cause I'm home. Where's the sunshine on her skin by day, and then at night again she's gone. Won't you be all mine? Stay a little while. Oh, my worn down woman, got you on my mind. Get you out of my head and into my eyes. Oh, my worn down woman, be all mine.
Won't complain about seeing them.
Dances like a diamond shines, I swear she turns my water into wine. Tells me when I'm doing wrong, and she loves to sway and sing along. She's fine. When my soul is on the ground, she knows to pick it up and hang around. On my mind by night and day, and that's alright, yeah, that's okay for now, 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 now. Won't you be all mine? Stay a little while. Oh, my worn down woman, got you on my mind. Get you out of my head and into my eyes. Oh, my worn down woman, be all mine. Shadows creep on in your mind, and trouble leaves you high and dry. Oh, be all mine. Won't you be all mine? Stay a little while. Oh, my worn down woman, got you on my mind. Get you out of my head and into my eyes. Oh, my worn down woman, oh, my worn down woman, oh, my worn down woman, won't you be all mine? Stay a little while. Oh, my worn down woman, got you on my mind. Get you out of my head, into my eyes. Oh, my worn down woman.
Okay, so that was a good morning. Brilliant morning. We've seen the 3 ospreys, obviously. We've seen actually more than 3 ospreys. I think we've probably seen about 5, but it was hard to keep track of them at one point. So, the male did catch a fish, and I was trying to catch the fish. That was going to be my last shot for there. And now I'm going to go to the boats.
That's the builder's storage supply reservoir. They look to be total between 80 and 90 sites in the region. Before this, when we get to